Hey guys, this Pache here. P-A-C-H-E. It's like Pache, but with a P. Pache. Okay. Today we're gonna do this little fraction here, little equation. We're gonna start doing this by reordering the polynomial 3x plus 4m squared times n alphabetically from
Whip your hand, man.
left to right, starting with the highest order term. So our expression by now should be looking a little bit like 4m squared n, and you have minus 3x here. You're going to close your parentheses, you're going to open your parentheses now, and then you're going to 4m squared n plus 3x. Perfect. Now, to continue this, you're going to multiply each term in the first group by each term in the second group using the FOIL method. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last, and is a method of multiplying two binomials. First, multiply the two terms in each binomial group. Next, multiply the outer terms in each group, followed by the inner terms. Finally, multiply the last two terms in each group. This should be looking a little bit like 4m squared n times 4m squared n plus 4m squared n times 3x minus 3x plus 4m to n minus 3x plus 3x. Sorry for my little handwriting, it's just that I'm a little afraid of big things. Now, just simplify the FOIL expression by multiplying and combining all the terms. Just 16m 4n squared minus nx2. If you got this, little buddy, you're going the right way. Remove the parentheses from the expression. Just go squiggy, squeaky, 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 and this is your answer. Return next time. Yo, what's up, guys? This is Pache D's, and today we're gonna find the polynomial that represents the area of the square garden if one side is x plus 5.
Let me take a shot at that, man.
You can take a shot of it, man. You can check it here. You can check it here. You can check it here. It's all good. It's all good.
Alright, let's go, man.
Alright, let's draw this little rectangle.
Esto, habla fuerte.
Let's do like a little rectangle. Okay, fool? Let's do this. This rectangle's like the walls I draw in. The walls I graffiti because I'm cool like that. Alright, guys. Well, we have an x here because you have your x over here, and you have your 5 over here. X and 5. The area of the rectangle is equal to the length times the width. A is the answer. L times W. Simple. Okay, substitute the values of the length. L equals x and the width. W equals 5. Okay, let's write that down. L equals x, W equals 5. That's cool. Into the formula, and then the area of the rectangle. A equals x times 5. Simple. Multiply x by 5 and to get 5x. The area. Okay, first of all, x times 5 equals 5x. This is your final answer, fool. Let's draw it let's draw it here. See A 5x. Check it again.
Oh, yeah, man. Hey there, everybody. My name is Jorge Bajarda. Spelled like Jorge Bajarda. Yeah. Alright, let's start with another problem that is not this one. We're gonna start with f equals 9/5 times c plus 32. And here you wanna solve by c, okay? So since c is on the right hand side of the equation, switch the sides so it's on the left hand side of the equation. So you will be like this, plus 32 equals f. Easy stuff. Alright, now multiply 9/5 by c to get 9c/5 plus 32 equals f. Okay, since 32 does not contain the variable to solve for, move it on the right hand side of the equation by subtracting 32 from both sides. So it's gonna be a little bit a bit 9c/5 equals minus 32 equal plus f. Okay, so yeah, now move all terms not containing c to the right hand side of the equation. This is gonna be a little bit like this. Yeah, it's gonna be nc/5 equals f minus 32. Alright, so now multiply each term in the equation by 5. It's gonna be, let's go over here, 9c/5 times 5 equals f times 5 minus 32 times 5. Okay, now simplify the left hand side of the equation by canceling the common factors. It's gonna be a little bit like that. 9c equals f times 5 minus 32 times 5. Now simplify the right hand side of the equation by multiplying out all the terms. It's gonna be a little bit like this. 9c equals 5f minus 60. Alright, now divide each term in the equation by 9. So it's gonna turn out like this, and like this, and like this. You get it? Now, simplify the left hand side of the equation by canceling the common factors. It's gonna be like this. And your answer is this right here. 5f/9 minus 160/9. And that is your answer. Thanks for watching, baby. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me again. My name is Jorge Vajarda. So, first we're going to start off with 2x2 plus 4 minus 1 equals 0. Well, your first thing you got to do is use the quadratic formula to find the solutions. In this case, the values are a, let's write them down. A equals 2, B equals 4, and C equals 1. You know, A, B, C. Easy shite. Let's do this. Alright, so this is, so let's write down the quadratic formula. You know, let's do it. Alright, so it's x equals minus b Wait, let me. Why is it not focusing? Come on. Alright, I'm gonna do it anyway. B plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all this divided by 2 times a. Okay? Use standard form of the equation to find a, b, and c for the quadratic. So we already got them here, right here. So simplify. Now substitute the values into the formula, which is gonna be like this: equals negative 4 plus minus square root 4 squared minus 4 times 2 and times 1. All this divided by 2 times 2. Okay? You got it? Do you got it? Wait, I made a mistake. There's a minus 1 right here. Alright. Now, simplify the section inside the radical, which is going to turn out like this. X equals minus 4 plus 2 over 6. Since you already did all of this, it's going to turn out like this. Alright? Okay, now, okay, this is over 2 times 2. Now simplify the denominator of the quadratic formula, which is going to be x equals minus 4 plus 2 over 6 divided by 4. Okay? It's actually pretty easy. I mean, you just have to pay attention. Now, first, solve for the plus portion. Okay? You have negative and minus right here. Now, so we're gonna solve first for this proportion. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be x equals negative 2 over 6 times 4. Next, solve the negative proportion of this. Now we're gonna solve for this one, which is gonna be it's gonna be like this. X equals negative 4, negative 2, divided by 4, which is yeah. So this is the positive and this is the negative. Alright. Now simplify the expression to solve for the negative proportion of this one. You got to simplify. So it's gonna be like this. X equals negative 2 negative over 6 and 2. This is a 2, by the way. Now the final answer is gonna be the combination of both solutions, which is let's write that down here. Is x equals negative 2 plus 6 to 2 comma negative 2 negative this. See what I did there? Times 2, which is, I mean, yeah, you can just leave it like here. I mean, yeah, this is your final answer right here. So that was a good with practice and love, nothing's impossible. Remember, nothing is impossible. Goodbye.